Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Redwood here with another futures trading video, guys. For you, and you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Do what you do. But this is another live trading on my 50K Top Step account, guys. I lost my first trade. I was not even at a computer, so I couldn't record it. I was out doing some shopping orders on my little side gig, and I lost 400 bucks. And I'm gonna tell you why I lost 400 bucks, guys. And this is my fault, totally my fault, guys. Um, my mind was let me replay it real quick. So 6 o'clock. All right, boom. Before the market opened, right? Before the market opened, it was just like this. So in my mind, I'm like, it's gonna be a sale. You know what I mean? Because it's touching what the resistance. Keep it simple. Keep your trading simple. When it hit resistance, look for sales. Hit support, look for buys. But you have to use experience and price action, right? You have to be able to know, like, all right, if this baby's shooting up super strong like this, it's a potential that could break through the zone, you know? But at the end of the day, there's a big imbalance right here that needs to be filled, right? This area needs to be filled. So my mind went to this, right? You see this big old area? All that need to be filled. This whole area need to be filled. Now, do it need to be? No, but we know it's going to be filled. The market can do whatever it want to do. So my mind was this. At 6 o'clock, I was going to get in for a sale. But what ended up happening was this. It shot up. Now, you see it going down, but it shot up, right? The market opened, it shot straight up. So in my mind, I was thinking like, oh, it could be a buy because I didn't have no area where I could put a fib, right? No area. Like the fib wasn't there. I was like, where can I put a fib at? you know? Here go the low. I need a high. I guess this candle right here made a high, but I didn't see that in the beginning. That's why I don't really do like weekend analysis or not. Not wait until the market's open. So what I did was I got into a buy. And this is my fault because the rule is if it's breaking the zone, wait until it breaks the zone. Like you don't have to be a retest type of trader. You can get in the break once it break the zone and close above the zone. You can look to get in, or you can wait until retest that area and then get in for a buy. But I end up getting in early and put my stop loss like right here. But I had like an alert right here as well. And it was doing good. It was doing good. And then all of a sudden, before 7 o'clock, around like 6:48, it shot straight down and closed down here. So my mind was like, oh, it gave me what I needed. So I put a fib from A to B, and I'm like, it can touch this zone, right? Because it broke past this zone, broke straight past this zone, came up here, and I'm like, all right, we need a retest in this zone to continue up higher. Now, do I have to do that? No, it can do whatever it want to do. That's one thing we cannot continue to predict the market because every time we predict the market, yes, we get it right sometimes, but sometimes we get it wrong and we get upset. So I got in for a sale right here, which you see. Let me take it back. Got in a sale right here. Boom. And that's where I'm currently at. Now, I'm down 400 some dollars, 440. I only can lose 1,000 for my daily stop loss until they deactivate my account just for today. And I will be down to like 1,400 or something crazy. But we about to see what happened. So this is how I got in. This is why I got in. One, because it touched resistance and I looked for sales. Now my thoughts was that it would break, continue this uptrend. But sometimes between Sunday, whatever the trend is, most of the times, whatever the trend is, Sunday, Monday, and like Tuesday, it follows that trend. So if it's a downtrend, it's gonna follow that trend and then begin to reverse. The reverse traders come in around Wednesday. Wednesday New York session start reversing. I'll do a video on that and show y'all what I mean by that. But yeah, so this is why I got in. So this is the live account, guys, that I am currently in. I'm trying to figure out how to. Oh, yeah. Let's see. All right, boom. All right, so I'm up $40. So how to deal with drawdown? When the market ain't moving away, it should be moving, or I won't say it should. What we think the market should do. One way I handle drawdown, you see that it just dropped, is that I control my risk. Now, if this baby did shoot up 40 ticks, I will probably be hitting my daily limit because I made that mistake in the beginning. So, number one mistake is don't trade that first hour of opening. Don't trade that first hour of opening, and I would have been safe. If I would just waited and see if it was gonna close or not. So this is the trade I'm in right now, guys. It's straight discipline, man. I'm looking to head down to this area. If I head down to this area, I will be funded another 50K. That'd be 100K, and I plan on paying for my Express account this week so I can start trading live next week. I just wanted to take a break because I don't want to blow my funded account no more. And my goal with my funded account is to try to make $200 a day now per account. So if this account I'm on right now, if I pass it this week and I start trading next week, that's two accounts. So that's $200 each one. That's $400 a day. And I plan on trading like Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's probably 4 days. We count Sunday as Monday technically. So yeah, man. So we're gonna let this baby ride out, and we're gonna see how it does. It might get me out. We shall see. I'm not afraid to take L's, guys, and you have to understand that you cannot be afraid to take an L as well. It's a part of trading. If I didn't get in early, if I didn't, make that mistake, things would look different right now. I wouldn't be worrying right now, because I'd be like, all right, if I lose $400, boom, that's it. So I only take 1 or 2 trades a day. Futures trading, I love it, man. I love it more than Forex. Forex, I hate the spreads. Um, that's the main thing. But I see a lot of people coming over to futures. Man, we can't make futures difficult. Futures is not difficult, guys. All that nonsense. Listen, NAS, Dow Jones, what else? Platinum. That's all like $5 every time it moves. Every number tick it moves is $5. When you start talking oil, start talking gold, start talking stuff like that, that's $12.50 per contract. So every time it moves, it's $12.50 $12.50 every time it moves. But yeah, so my contract is up. One of them is up in March. No, actually, is it March right now? I gotta be careful. I'm gonna have to be careful because it's March right now. So I'm gonna have to go back and look at some platinums after this to see which contracts is about to expire, so I don't have to trade March. So, but listen, stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and watch this as I don't know, go to sleep and wake up to seeing what happens. Listen, I went live yesterday. I ain't go like streaming live, but I enter a live trade. I'm gonna show you where I went wrong, made a mistake, knowing darn well that zone was getting weak, and I still went for a sell. There's a few mistakes that happened. which I showed in the first video that I shot. Um, I should have waited for that close. So we took an L. I'm gonna show y'all. We took that L, which is cool, but it was $1,000 again, guys. That is revenge trading and over leveraging. I should just take my L, walk away. But pride and not wanting to feel like I'm losing, it forced me to take another trade. And boom, hit the daily loss, which was $1,000. So I continue to go up this roller coaster. Go up, make 1,000, lose. Up, lose. So I'm not blowing my account, but I'm just going straight to break even every time. And I believe one main reason is patience. Patience, guys. I think patience is the key to all this. So I'm going to take you to the charts and show you how everything is going so far, which is crazy. Because I should have been in this trade. I should have been in this trade for sure. Should have been in this trade. All right, let me take you to the chart. Look at this. It's just buying, guys. Buying. Y'all remember yesterday, right? I got into this trade for a buy, but got put out. Stopped out. But what could have happened, I could have drew a zone right here. That's a big zone. And put my stop loss on there, but that stop loss from there to there, that's too. There was no way. I should just waited for a close. Like this right here, this candle right here at 2 a.m. Close, came up, came back down, and shot up. That is what I need. That's what I need. So I would no longer be taking trades unless it closed. If it takes off, it takes off. I don't care. If it takes off, it takes off. If it break the trend line and never come back to retest it, it's gone. I don't care. I'm no longer going to be dealing with FOMO, fear of missing out. So I got in this trade. The first time I lost $433 is because I was fearing that I would miss out on this trade. And look what happened. It cost me. Right now, I would have been funded. It cost me. So FOMO, fear of missing out, will cost you a lot of money on these prop firms, even on your personal account. So there's a lot of lessons that need to be learned, and come back tomorrow and do it again. So we see that it's about to head up to this zone right here. So we take L's, and that's what happens. But you just gotta know. You just gotta know that your time is coming. And if you continue to make trading boring, what I mean by that is continue to be repetitive. Continue to do the same thing over and over and over and over and over until you become a robot, in a sense. So, yeah, man. So, 6 p.m. when the market open again, I'm going to look for some trades around 7 p.m. And we're going to see if we can get... I don't know, man. I'm just disappointed in myself because this was my trade. I called this trade out right here. I called it out. I should have just stayed in the buy. Should have stayed in the buy, guys. But let me show you something. Let me show you how slow. Let me see. Oh, I took ES and all that out. So right now I'm just trading up a platinum because I love how platinum moves. Super clean. Break. Come down. Retest. Break. Retest. Break. We're going to see if we can get a retest and back up there. So I don't know.